Many can't still figure out why they blew their account. Here is one reason why you are still blowing your account. It is your account size. I believe your account size has a huge role to play in the forex market. If you are trading with small account size, it is possible that you are going to blow your account due to over trading, which I totally understand. Social media has ruined perspective of forex trading. It takes thousands, hundreds of hours to learn. Trading on the beach, it is not the reality. Flexing cars and other luxurious lifestyle, it is not trading. It is just promotion. In 2-3 years, if you can't afford a big trading account size, it is impossible for you to be a huge profitable trader. Let us assume you have $100 account and you are making $1 on a daily basis. Let us say you make $1 on a daily basis for a year. That is 365 days. So you are going to have 365 plus 100. That is 4 forward 365 465. And let us imagine you have access that 1% of the account is $100. 1% for 365 days is 36,500. Apart from the emotion that is not attached to demo accounts when you are trading forex, don't you see that you perform very well? And one of the reasons why you perform very well is that you have access to huge fund. One of the bitter truth is that trading, it is not designed for a poor individual. At one point you need access to huge fund like big account to be consistent in your profits. If you don't have access to big fund, that you only have access to a small account, it is very possible for you to build the account, but doing that you are opening your fund, your capital, to a very risk which is unnecessary. But I repeat, you can still grow your account if you know at one point your emotion is not going to get over you, because and your greed, your impatience. The only advice that I have for beginner and poor individual, I mean that you don't have access to huge fund, you only have $100, $200 to trade with, and beginners, don't load your account more than 300 for the first 6 months of your trading career. You can choose the way you are going to be loading, like funding your account. I always advise to start your first deposit with $10. For 1 or 2 weeks, load the other $10. Don't expect profit, just make sure you don't blow the account and you don't have much drawdown. You can still be managing $1 or $2 to $3 profit on the $10 to $20 account, and in the third week load $50. Like, just know how you are going to load the account little by little. Don't just load all your money at once, and give it interval. Check my previous video, I share my experience how I grow a $10 account on a daily basis. It is going to be beneficial for you. Check it out. Load your account with the money you can afford to lose. Load your account with the money that your living did not depend on it. With that, you are going to have time to grow your account little by little. If you are new to this channel, aka Afo the finest. I post educative content on this channel, and don't forget to blow that subscribe button for more content. Peace.